Hello children, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. And you people want to... Okay, you are already waiting. I wanted to tell you a story of the talkative barber. Yes, वही बार्बर जो बहुत बातचीत करता है, उसी की स्टोरी आज मैं सुनाने जा रही हूँ आपको. और what is there in this story बच्चों? In this chapter, we explore the amusing tale of talkative barber who finds himself so engrossed in his thoughts about an upcoming feast that he unintentionally leaves the sultan unshaven. तो चलिए, बहुत मजा आने वाला है ये स्टोरी सुनकर आपको. Are you people ready? Let's begin. But before that, let's start the startup. Write one sentence for each of the following. So let's begin the story. In the city of Kashgar lived a barber who was a great talker. Once the sultan called the barber to shave his head. The barber started talking non-stop instead of shaving him. तो बातचीत बहुत पसंद थी. उन जो बार्बर साहब थे उनको बहुत पसंद थी बातचीत करना. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, शेव करने आए हमारे सुल्तान साहब की और उन्होंने बातचीत करना शुरू कर दिया और शेव करना भूल गए. द सुल्तान गोट एंग्री. नाराज हो गए सुल्तान साहब. व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू स्टॉप टॉकिंग एंड बिगिन टू डू योर वर्क, ही आस्क्ड. द बार्बर रिप्लाइड, यू डू मी एन इंजरी बाय कॉलिंग मी अ chatterer, for everyone says I am very quiet. I have 6 brothers whom you might call chatterers, and their names are Backbone, Bakbon, and Bakbaria, and Bakburia, Bakbak, and Alkuz. Okay, these were the names of his brothers, Al-Nashi, and Sakaka Bak, that Shakaka Bak. तो ये उनके जो ब्रदर्स थे उनके नाम थे. उसने बुलाया, ऐसा आप ऐसे बुलाते हैं. और 2 ऐसे डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड हैं बच्चों हमारे पास जो आप देख सकते हो. इंजरी इज़ फिजिकल डैमेज और चैटरर इज़ वन हु टॉक्स मोर. तो उसने बोला आप मुझे दुख पहुंचा रहे हैं ऐसा बोल के कि मैं बहुत बातें करता हूँ. सब लोग तो कहते हैं मैं बहुत चुप रहता हूँ. सो ही paused for a second. The sultan thought that now he would begin to shave him. But the barber started again where he had left. तो उसने 1 सेकंड के लिए चुप रहने के बाद तो अब तो बड़े खुश थे सुल्तान साहब, अब मेरा काम हो जाएगा. लेकिन चुप रहने वाले कहाँ थे हमारे बार्बर साहब. उन्होंने फिर से वही शुरू कर दिया, जहाँ ख़त्म किया था वहीं से स्टार्ट किया. वन इज़ हम बैक्ड, वन इज़ टूथलेस, एंड वन इज़ हाफ ब्लाइंड. One is quite blind, one is deaf, and one other has a defect in his speech, and they are all great talkers. But I am the youngest of my family, and I am very quiet and sparing with words. तो ये परिचय दे रहे थे अपने परिवार का. When he saw that the Sultan was really angry with him, the barber said, "Oh master, do not get angry. I'll begin to shave you." Saying this, he washed the Sultan's head and began to shave. But he did not touch him even 4 times with the razor when he stopped and said, "My master, you are acting hastily and in this matter. Go on shaving me, speak on no more," and ordered the Sultan. "Then be patient," said the barber. "Perhaps you have not considered well what you were going to do. I wish you would tell me what this matter of great importance is all about, and then I'll give you my opinion on it." "Finish shaving at once," the Sultan exclaimed. तो उन्होंने बोला पहले तुम शेविंग ख़त्म कर लो फिर देखते हैं. But instead of doing this, the barber left the Sultan half shaved to go and see what time it was. "My patience is exhausted," the Sultan cried. "Become my master and you shall be shaved in a moment," said the barber, and saying this, he continued shaving the Sultan. But while he was doing this, he could not help talking. If you could inform me what this important affair is, I would give more advice which you might find useful, he said. The Sultan was completely fed up by now and he decided to satisfy the barber. उन्होंने बोला पहले इसको ख़त्म करता हूँ इसका किस्सा, उसके बाद मेरा काम हो जाएगा. चलो देखते हैं. He told him that he was giving a feast to some friends at noon, which was why he was in a hurry to leave. When the barber heard the Sultan mention a feast, he exclaimed, "That reminds me of my own invitation. Yesterday I invited 4 or 5 friends to come to my house today. But I had quite forgotten it and have not made any preparations for them." लो जी, हो गया काम. उसको याद आया, उसने भी 3-4 दोस्तों को बुलाया हुआ है और कुछ भी प्रिपेयर नहीं किया क्योंकि वो भूल गया. Hastily in a great speed, and patience means quality of being able to endure waiting and delay. Exhausted mean tired, feast, large meal. Okay, so let's continue the story. The Sultan, who was at the mercy of the barber, was ready to do anything to get rid of him. "Be quick and finish your work," the Sultan replied, "and you shall have all the food that has been prepared for me today." चलो अपना काम खत्म करो और जो भी खाना मेरे लिए बना है ना ले जाओ. Please show me the food so that I may judge if it is enough for my 5 friends. तो उसने बोला पहले खाना दिखाओ तो सही कि मेरे 5 दोस्तों में पूरा हो भी पाएगा या नहीं हो पाएगा. I have enough food for you, the Sultan exclaimed. He ordered that all the food prepared for his feast be brought in. The barber looked over the food and said, "This is very good, but I shall want some fruit and the dessert also." The Sultan, in desperation, since his head was half shaved, ordered that the fruits should also be brought in. तो इतना तंग आ गए थे सुल्तान कि उन्होंने बोला भैया मेरा आधा ही सर शेव हुआ है, प्लीज़ इसे फ्रूट भी दे दिए जाए. The Sultan stamped his feet impatiently, but the barber did not hurry. At length, however, he again took up the razor, but after a few minutes of work, stopped suddenly and cried, "I never knew that you were so generous." मुझे तो कभी पता ही नहीं था आप इतने दयालु हो. ये कहना था हमारे बार्बर साहब का. तो सोचिए उन्होंने कितनी पेशेंस थी सुल्तान साहब में, क्योंकि उनके वो इतने अपने आप को इतना भद्दा नहीं दिखाना चाहते थे. वो चाहते थे कि किसी तरह उनकी शेव हो जाए, तो उन्होंने उसकी हर बात मानी. बट किसी की पेशेंस को कभी जज नहीं करना चाहिए बच्चों. चलिए बच्चों, आपने स्टोरी बहुत अच्छे से सुनी है. आइए उसके पेज पर कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस हमें दी गई हैं जिनको हम करते हैं. व्हाट वी हैव लर्नड, एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इन ए पार्ट एंड इन बी पार्ट रीड द गिवन एक्सट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम द स्टोरी एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो. And in C part, fill in the blanks. D part, complete the following sentences with the help of the story. And in E part, write T for true and F for false for the following statements. In F part, answer the following questions in short, and in G part, answer the following questions. You have to give the description. And Hots, was the king really generous? If not, then why? Play with words बच्चों. Make sentences of your own with the help of given words and match the following words with their opposites. You have grammar in use, that was words that sound alike but are spelled differently and have different meanings are called homophones. Example, see and see. See is water body and whereas see means to look at. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the pairs given within brackets. And tick the correct word to fill in the blanks to make a proper sense. Now enrich your skills by listening carefully your teacher. Speak out. Suppose you are going on a trip with your school. Discuss with your friends about the preparation of the trip. And in writing part you have a picture. Look at the following picture and write a story with their help in your notebook. Also give a suitable title. And you have hands-on fun. Would you like to make a poster for the arts and crafts exhibition? You could make it about afforestation, planting of saplings. Here are a few tips for you people, and have fun. Enjoy.